Here are 10 fascinating facts about sloths. 1. Sloths are surprisingly good swimmers. Despite their slow movement on land, sloths are excellent swimmers. They use their long arms to paddle through water with surprising speed and can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes by slowing their heart rate. This ability helps them escape predators by dropping into rivers or lakes and floating away. 2. Their slow metabolism makes them energy efficient. Sloths have one of the slowest metabolic rates of any mammal, digesting food at an incredibly slow pace. A single leaf can take up to a month to be fully digested. This slow metabolism is why they move so little, conserving precious energy and surviving on a diet of low-nutrient leaves. 3. Sloths can rotate their heads like owls. Three-toed sloths have extra neck vertebrae that allow them to turn their heads a whopping 270 degrees. This is incredibly useful since they move so slowly. It helps them scan their surroundings without using too much energy. 4. They only poop once a week. Sloths descend from their trees just once a week to do their business. This is actually one of the most dangerous times for them, as they become easy prey for predators. Scientists still don't fully understand why they take the risk, but one theory suggests that sloths bury their waste to avoid detection or that it helps fertilize the trees they live in. 5. Their fur hosts an entire ecosystem. Sloth fur isn't just a coat, it's a whole habitat. Their fur grows in the opposite direction of most mammals, from belly to back instead of top down, creating the perfect environment for algae, fungi, and insects. The algae give sloths a greenish tint, helping with camouflage, while some fungi in their fur have been found to have anti-cancer and anti-parasitic properties. 6. Sloths were once the size of elephants. Today's sloths may be small and tree-dwelling, but their ancestors, the giant ground sloths, were massive. These prehistoric creatures could grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 4 tons. Some species, like Megatherium, could even stand on their hind legs to reach vegetation high up in the trees. 7. They have the slowest reaction time of any mammal. Sloths process things very slowly due to their low-energy lifestyle and small brain size. Their sluggish nervous system means they react incredibly slowly to stimuli, making them appear almost in slow motion compared to other animals. 8. They can sleep up to 20 hours a day. While wild sloths usually sleep around 10 to 15 hours a day, sloths in captivity have been observed sleeping up to 20 hours. Since they have almost no natural predators in captivity and unlimited food, they spend most of their time napping. 9. Sloths can fall 100 feet without injury. Sloths are built for falling and can survive drops from up to 100 feet, about the height of a 10-story building. Thanks to their lightweight bodies and specialized grip, they can usually grab onto a branch before hitting the ground. If they do fall, their strong bones and thick skin help absorb the impact. 10. They rarely get cold. Sloths have a unique ability to regulate their body temperature, even though they're mammals. Their body temperature can fluctuate between 74 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 to 34 degrees Celsius, depending on their environment. This ability allows them to survive in various conditions, but if they get too cold, their metabolism slows down even more, making digestion difficult and potentially fatal. Sloths may be slow, but they're full of wild and unexpected adaptations. Which fact surprised you the most?